Before you begin, remove the 2 rubber feet, the base enclosure, and the battery. Removal. Disconnect the fingerprint board ribbon cable connector from the fingerprint board. Gently peel back the adhesive tape that secures the fingerprint board ribbon cable to the top cover. Remove the 2 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the fingerprint board bracket to the top cover. Remove the fingerprint board bracket. Lift the fingerprint board up from its cutout on the top cover and remove it. Replacement. Place the fingerprint board into its cutout on the top cover, with the connector side located closest to the touchpad. Place the fingerprint board bracket above the fingerprint board and align it with the screw wells in the top cover. Replace the 2 P0 Phillips head screws that secure the fingerprint board bracket to the top cover. Reconnect the fingerprint board ribbon cable connector to the fingerprint board. Press down on the adhesive tape to secure the fingerprint board ribbon cable to the top cover.